Hey, what is going on there YouTube? This is the Gaming Guy, and today I'm bringing you another unboxing after the other unboxing. I know I said I was going to try and split it, but to be honest, I've held on to these items that are just here for quite a bit of time and they just need to be unboxed and uploaded. So I thought I'd try to get as many of the items that I've been waiting for together, which currently is like 7, 8 items, and unbox them in one video. The majority of the items today are Supreme, but obviously as the title says, there's going to be 2 items that are separate, which I've been looking forward to and I've been waiting for. And there's also a thing that I'm going to give to my brother as well, so yeah, let's just get into the unboxing anyway. I appreciate the feedback from the last video, or the unboxing video that was up on Friday. For the feedback that this camera is the better camera. So yeah, I do appreciate that. Without further ado, let's just get into this unboxing. The first item is actually sent to me. It was sent to me by somebody who I used to speak to a lot, fair-ish amount, and we used to upload the same videos, which were FIFA videos. And yeah, just a disclaimer before the next sort of part opens where I'm unboxing, I just have to say that I'm not paid for this product. So yeah, because people always have to disclose whether they've been paid or not, so I've not been paid. These have just been sent out to me, so yeah, I haven't been paid for them. They haven't been sent as like a sponsorship or anything. They've just been sent, so okay, they're cool. So what they are obviously, if I just grab a couple, they're the whole Kaws sort of air fresheners that you get, but they're obviously in the shape of, you know, not, I guess you can say designer shoes, but I'd say like more just popular hyped shoes. So yeah, they were sent out to me. I'm gonna give a couple to my brother, so I'll let him pick like 2 of them or whatever. I'll also leave the link down below to his website. So yeah, I'm not being paid for this or anything. He just asked me and I thought it was pretty decent because my brother's gonna get a couple of them. But if you'd like to purchase any of them, I'll just leave that down below. So yeah, to be honest, I think it is a dope idea that people do this. So yeah, my brother should be back at some point in the next couple of minutes, so maybe next 20 minutes, so I'll give him a couple of them or he can pick from them. So yeah, flexing.
My only pair of Yeezys. There's a guy selling a pair for 100 quid.
What colourway?
Reds.
Oh.
But I'm gonna buy them.
Why?
I need a pair of beaters.
Yeah, these are what the guy sent me.
Oh. How many do I get?
2.
These go in my car.
Yeah, which 2?
I think you should keep the Presto if you've got a pair. 100%. I want the Yeezy, straight up. What do they smell of?
I don't know, rip it open and smell.
No, and then the Vapor Max?
Yeah.
These are sick. He should have his his website on the packaging.
Yeah, but if you bought from it, why wouldn't you know the website? Really?
Fresh-crepes.
fresh-crepes.co.uk. There they are. You're not even holding it in focus. There you go. Go to fresh-crepes.co.uk.
Anyway, let's go straight in the car.
Yeah.
I'll take that one as well.
No, you're not taking fresh though. First 2 people to hit me up on Instagram get 1 each pretty much. So yeah, as long as you're in England, not in America, because I can't ship to America. Yeah, there you go. So either message me Jordan or Air Max, whoever messages first gets whichever one. So yeah. Right, next item. Okay, we will go with the item that is an accessory that I said that I wanted to get and I ended up adding to my last live cop, was it? Possibly. Which is from Saru General. So I'm trying to unbox it safely, but I'll cut to the point where I'm opening it. God, my man, what is this? Oh, shit. What is this packaging? Like, dude, I'm trying to be safe unboxing this, but I physically like can't open it because everywhere's coated in sellotape. Okay, so I finally got into this. It's actually taken me like 3 minutes and I don't even know if it's, where the hell is it? Like, at last I finally got into the center of this and here it is. So it is a dead stock. It doesn't have the tag on it. I don't know if they put tags on these or not, but it is a dead stock Supreme beach ball, which is decent. I don't know whether I'm gonna open it and have it for my background or leave it as it is until like next summer, because currently they're like 60 or 65 pounds for them being dead stock, so I only paid 45 for it, so I think it was a pretty decent price. And yeah, whether I'm gonna blow it up at some point or not, I will tell you. Okay, next up, Supreme summer tees, or yeah, my summer tees. They've sat around for about nearly like a week and a bit now. waiting to be unboxed. Obviously haven't unboxed them yet, so let's pull them out. hopefully we get some sticker packs, hopefully, but I only see one box logo sticker. Yeah, one box logo sticker with 2 summer tees. Wow, okay. I heard that other people had been shafted like that as well, but that's nuts. Order a Mona Lisa tee and the octopus and you don't even get the stickers for them. So, Mona Lisa tee first. That graphic is pretty cool. These tees are just to keep dead stock until I either wear them or sell them, because there's no point in me ripping things out. It's a sick graphic for the octopus or tentacle. There's no point in me just ripping it open if I'm not going to wear it at the time being. So, but they're cool. So yeah, I'll probably just keep them in their bags. I don't know why. They've really been skipping out on sending people like stickers and things nowadays, or this season in particular. I've seen people like order 4 or 5 items and just get a box logo sticker, and well, I ordered 2 and I only got a box logo sticker, not even a sticker pack. So, okay, next. We've got this up next. This is Depop, like wrapping paper. Cut away from me this time. So, first item, or like the 4th item that we've got. Oh, my dude forgot that he bought an Overwatch card and left an Overwatch card in the wrapping, okay. This, as you can see, is the world famous umbrella. Came out obviously this season. It flopped, you know. I got it below retail. I've been after an umbrella. I think that the umbrellas are just cool items. Obviously the design wasn't what people wanted for it when you heard umbrella, but in general it is a huge umbrella. It's well made, it's by a decent company, Dead Rain I believe their name is. So yeah, that's why I got that. So I'm going to open up the next item here. Let's cut into it. No, that's good. So they sent the Supreme bag, and then this is well wrapped for a first, but this is the counterpart to the red one. This is the acid colour, I believe it is, or acid green colour. So, got red and acid green for the matching set, for both under retail. Now, they're not both for me in this case. One of them is for a family member because they wanted one, so they got one, then I got one, because I've been after one, and I found 2 up for literally under retail. If you bought it from Supreme in store, it would have been £42. If you bought it online, it would have been 47. One was 40, one was 43, I believe. So literally, unless you went in store to get it, they were both under retail. So, right, this is absolutely coated here. So, the final items that I've got, Uniqlo. I'm still actually waiting for a package from them. I don't know where it is. I'm waiting on it, but you know, it's all good. I saw Boone uploaded his video on Friday, it might have been, about it. But I was waiting on this collab because when I found out the price of it, when all the info was coming out, I thought it was absolutely great that they're like 12, 13 pounds for tees, 16 or so including shipping. So if you order multiple items into one, you save on shipping. And it's a Kaws collab, Kaws Sesame Street collab. I didn't get the last one, which is either in 2016 or 17 that they did, which is also another dope drop that they did, but I got this one. And yeah, if you don't know, Uniqlo are now, they're like a casual wear. They're, I believe, a Japanese company. Casual wear is what they do. More recently, they've been known for tennis sort of clothing, because I believe it's Roger Federer who's wearing their clothing on court, and it's becoming more of like, tennis is more being now like swamped by Uniqlo because it's such breathable material, I guess you called it, or breathable clothing, and it's such a fair price for such a high quality. So, Kaws collab. Oh, these look sick. Okay. These are to wear. These aren't for resale. These are personal because I just think they're dope, and for their price, I have to wear them because, yeah. So, yeah, £12.90. That's just ridiculous. I've heard that the sizing is a bit big on these, which is okay because I'm not bothered by that. So, first one we've got the white one with all of them. Oh, that's so cool. It's so cool. Like, we've got the first one, the other bits of them, you know, they've all got their fresh shoes on and whatever, but there's the first one. The second one we've got, I believe I ordered the Cookie Monster Elmo one in the like icy blue sort of colour, which, yeah, there it is. Again, looks really sick. Some things on these, which I'll show you in a minute, is on the sleeves. They've got like little X's for the Kaws, obviously. I don't know whether it's on both or one, but yeah, the amount of detail that's gone into them I just love. Some people are like, oh, there's not a lot of effort, they've just put X's for the eyes, but who cares, to be honest. It just looks dope. and for such a fair price, and most of the items are still in stock in most sizes, it's just great. But I did say that I am still waiting on a couple, which I am, so at some point I'll get them. But yeah, let's go ahead and just open them up and go through the details on them. Okay, the Kaws pieces, let's rip them open. I'm not keeping these iced or whatever, you know, they are to wear. That is just dope. Okay, sleeves. So I believe it is only on one sleeve then, and it is right there. As you see, the XX, or the eyes, or the Kaws little mark that they put on, which is embroidered in, which is sick. And then yeah, obviously it says Uniqlo, and it says Kaws X Sesame Street. The other one, my man Cookie Monster sitting there. And yeah, I think the X stands out on this blue, light blue sort of colour a lot more compared to the white. So yeah, there it is. That's just dope. That is just dope. So yeah, there's a lot of rubbish around me from this unboxing, but I'm just gonna go through the items. Tentacles tee, graphic is dope. Mona Lisa tee as well, another nice graphic. I think in the black colorway though, the graphic looks a lot cleaner or nicer in that colorway, but again, really nice piece. Supreme beach ball, cool piece. Car freshener, crepe things. Both of the world famous umbrellas. I still just think they're dope. I don't know which colorway I'm gonna pick, whether red or acid green, but I think I like acid green a bit more. Even though red's my favorite color, I just think acid green looks a lot nicer. And then we've got both of the Kaws pieces. Have any of your summer tees arrived, if you copped any, or have you sold them on already? And what do you think of the umbrellas or the beach ball as well? Because they're sort of the beach vibe, aren't they? To have a huge umbrella and a beach ball to play with, so yeah.
Go to fresh, no, wait, start again. Go to fresh-crepe.co.uk.
Hot, Dan. Might be too hot.
Too hot. Just fire up.
Oh, don't. Oh, no.
Fire up, there we go. Smell of a hype beast.
It's not as good as when you... Dan, it's not as good as when you're hanging the baby Yeezys there.
No. The actual Yeezys.
Yeah.
Alright. See you soon.
Do you want your boots shut? Dan, yeah?
Okay, Dan.
You want your boots shut, yeah? Hey?
Fine.
No, it's not. Daniel. Seriously. Come on. Yeah? You tried to drive a full call then and your boots just wide open, yeah? You got rock You said it wrong in the
.co.uk. Peace.
If you enjoyed this video, like, be much appreciated. Other than that, I will see you tomorrow or Tuesday for another video. And yeah, other than that, did anybody cop any of the Uniqlo pieces, or are you going to pick up any of the pieces? Because for such a fair price, and I mean, compared to a Supreme tee, which comes out to be like £42 overall, you can get 4 of these for that exact same price, or just about maybe. Also, thank you for the comments, like I said, about which camera. I do appreciate it, and thank you for the support in the last couple of videos. We hit 4.2k, which is amazing, so we're 800 away from 5,000, which is just great. So yeah, thank you for watching, like and subscribe. I don't know why I did that before my ending. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe. I'll see you all next time. Peace. Peace. What did you say?
Peace.
That wasn't, you said like paste.
Paste.
Paste. You having fun doing that, yeah? Yeah?